we're breaking down the top home decor trends that will transform your space and make it truly stand out. From bold colors to multifunctional spaces, there's something for everyone. So, if you're ready to update your home and stay on trend, keep watching. These ideas will inspire you to create a space that's not only beautiful, but also functional and unique. Let's get started with the top home decor ideas. First, let's dive into nature-inspired designs. In 2024, bringing the outdoors inside is more than just a trend, it's a lifestyle. Nature-inspired designs are taking center stage, emphasizing sustainability and serenity in home decor. Imagine filling your living room with lush green plants, incorporating natural materials like wood and stone, and embracing earthy tones that evoke a sense of calm and connection to nature. These elements not only beautify your space, but also promote a peaceful atmosphere that's perfect for relaxation and rejuvenation. Whether you opt for a botanical wallpaper, bamboo furniture, or a terrarium centerpiece, nature-inspired decor adds a refreshing touch to any room. Embrace the beauty of the natural world and transform your home into a tranquil oasis with these timeless design ideas. Our next idea focuses on sustainability. As environmental consciousness grows, so does the popularity of sustainable and eco-friendly decor. From recycled materials to energy-efficient lighting, homeowners are making choices that benefit both the planet and their living spaces. Picture furnishing your home with reclaimed wood furniture, using organic cotton bedding, or installing solar-powered fixtures that reduce energy consumption. These eco-friendly choices not only contribute to a healthier environment, but also enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home. Whether you're renovating a single room or redesigning your entire house, incorporating sustainable decor elements can make a significant impact. Join the movement towards a greener future by integrating these stylish and environmentally responsible ideas into your home decor plans. This year, home decor is all about making a statement with bold colors and eye-catching patterns. Whether you prefer vibrant hues like emerald green, mustard yellow, or rich coral, or you're drawn to intricate geometric designs or floral prints, bold colors and patterns can instantly transform any room. Imagine accent walls adorned with striking wallpapers, or sofas and chairs upholstered in daring fabrics that demand attention. These bold choices not only add personality and depth to your space, but also create a dynamic and inviting atmosphere. Embrace your creativity and experiment with different color combinations and patterns to discover a look that truly reflects your unique style and personality. Get ready to inject some excitement into your home with these daring and trend-setting decor ideas. In a world where versatility is key, multifunctional spaces are becoming increasingly popular in home design. Whether you're adapting to remote work, accommodating guests, or simply maximizing your living area, creating multifunctional spaces allows you to make the most out of every square foot. Imagine a home office that seamlessly transforms into a guest bedroom with a Murphy bed, or a living room that doubles as a yoga studio with modular furniture. These adaptable spaces not only enhance convenience, but also promote efficiency and organization in your daily life. By incorporating smart storage solutions, flexible furniture arrangements, and innovative design concepts, you can create a home that adapts to your ever-changing needs while maintaining style and comfort. Nostalgia meets modernity in 2024 with the resurgence of vintage and retro-inspired home decor. Whether you're a fan of mid-century modern furniture, nostalgic color palettes, or quirky retro accessories, incorporating vintage elements into your home adds a timeless charm and character. Imagine a living room adorned with a retro-inspired sofa, a record player, and vintage posters on the walls, creating a cozy and inviting ambiance. From Art Deco accents to 1970s-inspired bohemian chic, there's a vintage style to suit every taste and preference. Embrace the past while embracing the present with these retro-inspired decor ideas that celebrate the enduring appeal of classic design. In a world where less is often more, minimalist home decor continues to reign supreme. Clean lines, clutter-free spaces, and a focus on essential elements define this enduring aesthetic. Imagine a bedroom with a sleek platform bed, neutral color palette, and unadorned walls that create a serene and calming atmosphere. Minimalist design not only promotes a sense of tranquility, but also emphasizes functionality and purpose in every room. By decluttering your living spaces, opting for simple yet high-quality furnishings, and incorporating thoughtful design details, you can achieve a minimalist look that feels both sophisticated and inviting. Embrace the beauty of simplicity and create a home that reflects your minimalist lifestyle with these timeless and elegant decor ideas.